I was a boy in a man's world when I started here. That was a long time ago. Mind you, I didn't realise just how important this place was back then. To us, it was a job, a back-breaking, sometimes heart-breaking way to make a living. But the coal from this pit went all over the world. This was steam coal, not the sort of thing you burnt in the home. It powered industry. Steam engines and factories and mighty steam ships criss-crossing the oceans were fueled by coal from under these hills and valleys. Perhaps the most famous ship of all, the Titanic, was powered by coal from under this valley. Coal from this mine went round the world, changed the world, 1 ton at a time. A ton in each dram, and on a good day 1,000 of these would come up from underground. That's enough coal to fill 50 double-decker buses each day. And deep. This mine went down as deep as the Empire State Building is high. Now look at him, the Marquis of Bute. A fancy title. Here's a man who made a fortune from others' work. Every ton of coal had to pass through the docks he built in Cardiff, and for each ton he charged a levy. This made him a rich man, built himself 2 castles. For him the coal really was black gold. Ah yes, this takes me back. Gathering here every morning with my buddies and my brothers, grab your helmet and a safety lamp, and then down you went, 400 metres into the dark. Now that's what you called an extreme ride. It's not as far these days, but you still get the sense of what it was like. From the bottom of the shaft you could walk 1.5 miles to the working seam. A pick and a shovel, they were the tools of my trade. 8 hours in the dark in a typical day. And in the early days, even children as young as 4 worked down here. Fire! It was a tough place. A dangerous place. You learned to watch out for each other. All that time in the dark meant you appreciated the daylight and fresh air. Now it's all about the play area for the little ones. As it should be. Yes, coal. It didn't just shape my life. It shaped these valleys, the landscape, the people. It shaped the nation. So many stories to tell. Fortunately, the canteen's changed a bit. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Next week, maybe the Lido a Ponty, if I can find my Speedos.